Greetings, everybody. Salutations and whatnots. Yeah. Fooling around on Sunday, trying to decide if it's going to rain or not. Yesterday, complete bomb. The neighbors were out partying and sitting around their front yard table yesterday, just having a good old time. You know, in the middle of a thunderstorm. We didn't get rain. We got thunder and lightning. We didn't get any rain at all. It didn't rain. It stopped. It did that one on my last update where it kind of got things, I don't know, not quite moist, not quite damp. I guess it got everything slightly damp. It dried within like 5 minutes. So we've had 2 thunderstorms, no rain. Today, 60% chance of thunderstorms. It doesn't say today, on, off. One weather thing says, be ready for a severe thunderstorm sometime Sunday. Okay. I got my workout in the pool yesterday. Hopefully, the sun is trying to peek out right now. It is 7:46 in the morning. So hopefully I'll get my workout in the pool today. Today, I feel like I'm going to have catfish and tater wedges for supper. So figured I'd just bring you along with me. I'll take some of these taters and check them. They're kind of old. This one's alright. Cut me some wedges out of here. Out of these here taters. Just like so. See, that in there is kind of bad. It's getting kind of old. I have figured out though, if I keep my taters in the fridge with the onions and stuff and whatnots, boy does that help them go for a little bit longer. There we go. That one has got a bad end on it right there. See? Nothing wrong with them. They're just a little soft, you know, and they get a little dark on one end. There's that one. And you just check them as you go, like I said. No big deal. This one's fine. So I'll zap some wedges out of here. Oh, one more out of here maybe. Yep, there we go. Tater wedges. Making some tater wedges. If you have too many of them when you get done, you can freeze these little bastards. Have them for bar snack later on. They're pretty damn good. And why tater wedges with catfish? Well, I'll show you that. We'll get to that. Well, I can tell you actually, they use the same coating. You get done coating your catfish or whatever, you coat your tater wedges or vice versa. Doesn't matter, they're all getting fried. Fried. Zap that. Zap in there. Oh, baby. Tater wedges. Tater wedges for the masses. Beautiful. So there's our tater wedges, all out of the way. We'll set you guys over here out of the way for now. I've got stuff lined up all over the place. I don't know if you can see it all or not. Now, for our catfish, that's what's under this towel right. Oh, BLG, get that away from you. You're going to hurt yourself. We'll get these out here. Okay, for our catfish, that's what we got right now. Got them all rinsed and patted mostly dry, like so. We need a dipping in bowl. Right now, in said dipping in bowl, I'm going to put, where is it? I'm going to put some cornstarch. A little bit of cornstarch in my dipping in bowl, about like so. And I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to put, where is it? Where's it at there? I'm going to put me a little sprinkle of some baking powder in here. With that, we'll go about 50-50. Just a little bit of that. And believe it or not, we're just going to put a little bit of water in here. Like so. Get us a fork. Whisk. I should have grabbed the whisk. That's alright. Fork will work just fine. And we can reuse it. Just give this a little stir. Yep, no egg, no buttermilk. This is what I got going on. Now, if I had some dry buttermilk powder, I could put a couple of them in there, or a little splish of buttermilk if you'd like. Don't have any, not going to worry about it. Not going to do the old milk and vinegar trick. There we go. Dipping in bowl, right? No seasonings, nothing like that. Now, let's just set you right out. Now the fun part, our coating. We are going to take, oh God, I just about threw that. I'd like to throw this whole thing of cornmeal on the ground. We're going to take some cornmeal, just like so. Nice little dipping size thing. To the cornmeal, I'm going to add a little bit of flour, all-purpose flour, just a little bit, like so. Looks about right. Sprinkle a little salt in this bad boy. Get up in now. Sprinkle some pepper up in here. Get on up in there. Like so. You guys get out of the way. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika in here. Touched on up on in here. Like so. Paprika. I'm going to put a little bit of Tony Chachere's Cajun Creole seasoning up in here. About like that. I like the look of that. That will do. A little bit of onion powder. Yes, I know it's in a salsa jar. I had to cut it loose from the other one. Now one of these is a shakeable. Get that, and the seasoning jar I had to cut this out of. This lid screwed right on. This is the lid off of the seasoning jar. It's got the full thing and the sprinkle. And it fit right on the salsa jar. Why is it in a jar? That's like I just told you. It gets clumped up. It's really humid down here in Florida, and it gets clumped up really bad down here. So it turns into basically a useless brick you have to throw away or throw it in the food processor and grind it back up. And then 2 days later it's a brick again. Well, I have learned since then that for your garlic powders, your onion powders, that's your main two demonic turn into brick things down here. Keep them in your freezer. And when you're ready to use them, these have been in the freezer for 3 days. No, not a clump in it. Nothing. They just stay nice and they stay, you know, shakeable, all fresh. So keep them in your freezer like this. And they won't clump up on you, alright? We're going to take this. I will get a little whisk for this. Or a whisk. I don't know if it's the smallest. Yes, I will. Little whisk. We're going to whisk this all together. Just like this here. Nicely done, sir. Nicely done. Oh, this is going to be good. I'm going to turn my oil on. Beautiful. Set you right there. I'm going to turn my deep fryer on since I got my deep fryer. Put this up out of the way so I can get around a little easier in the kitchen. Organization is the key to success in the kitchen. Keep your kitchen clean, guys, while you're working, and success will happen. Pick my oil. I want it to 350 degrees in my deep fryer. We'll let that do its thing. Now, I have got a cook sheet and a wire rack. Right? Easy as this, folks. Take a piece of kitty fish, into our dipping mixture here. Out of there, into our coating. I'm going to try this, keep one hand dry and one for the wet thing. It's never really worked out all that well for me. Coating, boom, onto there, see? Just like that. Into the wet. Coating mix. Get them all coated up here. All nice like, and that should stick on there quite well. And no, I'm not doing the whole bag. A little over half of the bag. Because, you know, it's just me. Alright folks, we're back. We're down onto our little last piece right here. Get him all done up, coated, and onto the wire rack here. Ready to rock and roll. Look at that. Alright, so we got these done, right? Now we got all this left. Well, we've got our taters, remember? Doing the same thing to the taters. In goes the taters. Into the watery mixture thing. Do a couple at a time here. Get them all kind of coated up some. And because they want some, they know they want some. Get them all in here. I swear you could put this in a Ziploc bag and shake your taters, but They did just fine doing this. They'll be fine, you'll see. Put them up a little bit. Slide them off over here too. Just like so. And okay, a couple more taters. Oop, hey, where do you think you're going? Bitch, get in there. Okay. Smooth that out a little bit. Into here you go. I'll just mix them up. I don't care now at this point. I don't care. These aren't too bad. Get you all seasoned up like so. Because you want to be. Alrighty, folks, we are back. The angelfish is looking away. The angelfish has turned her back on me. No, BLG, it's a brother fish. Well, sorry. They had to go. So what I'll do is take catfishes. I'll pop some of them in here at 350 degrees. Lay them right in a basket, y'all. I'll take this little guy and this little skinny guy here. In they go, right? A couple of minutes for these guys. It's going to be fantastic, man. See, look at them frying and stuff. Frying and fry, and they'll slow down, and they won't bubble quite as much. They'll get all golden brown. It's going to be beautiful, man. It's going to be beautiful. Oh yeah. Fish doesn't take too long to cook either, so it makes a nice quick bar snack or a nice quick meal. You know, if you happen to have some laying around, all thawed out and ready to go. Fish. Yes, yes. Beautiful catfish. And we're going to do jungle fries. Oh yeah, baby. And I have another cookie sheet here with another wire rack on it, see? And they're just going to drain out on here. I don't mind doing a few extra dishes if I'm getting some catfish out of the deal. You know what I mean? Yes, indeed. Indeed. Oh, hi, I'm Riley, by the way. Hit that subscribe if you don't mind. Maybe hit the like button, you know. I got plenty to watch, and it doesn't cost anything. I'm just as good as, like, HBO and Cinemax and shit, but it's free. There's no nudity either. No. Maybe shirtless fat guy, but no nudity. Come on, baby. Catfish up in here. Smells good too. Oh boy, does that smell good. Give them just a little bit more. Oh, they're looking done too. They are looking done. Said they don't take long. A couple of minutes, you got a catfish done. Take these guys out. I'm going to let them drain for just a second. And watch how good this shit is. Look at that. Huh? All that coating stayed on there. Look at this. See how that coating stays nice and on there like that? Yep, that's that dip. That's that dip and a little bit of flour in action. It certainly is, folks. Make that coating stick right to that fish. And drying your fish off all the way, patting it dry in a towel before you start. Big difference, boys and girls. Big difference. Put that one right chop. Catfish. I'll see you when these catfish are all cooked up, and we'll throw the fries. Hey, we're back. We got the fish done. Now for the fries. We can pretty much just load this basket. Fries. Get into fries. Get in the basket. Get in there. Everybody in the pool. There we go. We'll drop the fries. Down these bad boys go. They'll do that for a little while, and they'll come less bubbly, and they'll start floating around and stuff and be golden brown, soft in the middle. There's our catfish looking all beautiful. And yeah, I'll see you when we get those fries on that tray with those fish, and we'll try some out. See you in a few. There you go, guys. See how it's kind of slowed down on the bubbling? Look at those golden fries, baby. And shut that oil off. Unplug the fryer, because that's the whole batch of everything I'm doing today. Let these drain for a bit. succulent golden fries. Look at those things. All coated up nice. Mama! Look at that! Would you have yourself a look at them catfish, fried catfish and fries, potato wedges. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna let them cool for just a second, a little bit. We'll try them out. Alrighty, folks. The moment of truth. I'll take this little nugget right here for catfish. Look at that thing, man. Look at it. All coated and crispy. Oh, man. The flavors. Can taste every bit of the seasoning. It's perfect. Got a little bit of Creole seasoning, too. I'm telling you. I don't even need any kind of cocktail sauce or anything. Let's try one of these fries just came out. That sumbitch is hot. Crisp on the outside. You can see nice and tender on the inside. Oh yeah. That's hot. That is going to be dinner for the next 2 days. Damn. Oh, that's good. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, hanging out with me on this here Sunday morning. I think there's a little update thing from yesterday evening about the storm that it thundered and nothing ever happened. It's just colossal thunder, nothing. Lightning and thunder and stuff. Oh my. But yep. So yeah, that's about what I got for you for today. Just a spur of the moment thing. I woke up this morning and realized I get to cook today, and I didn't know what I wanted for supper. Now I do. And so do you. Till next time, folks, for Hands On with BLG, I am BLG. I am righty. I am lefty. And until next time, folks, thank you for stopping by, and you know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.